In this video, we will see together le conditionnel, but then more precisely le conditionnel when we are using it with si. So let's see together le conditionnel when it is used with si. So we've got two possibilities with le conditionnel. The first situation will be the structure si with imparfait, and then after that it will be followed by conditionnel présent. Then the second configuration will be si with plus que parfait, and then after that it will be followed by conditionnel passé. The two structures are quite different, and that's the reason why we will take the time to have a look at them. So let's start with the first one, si with imparfait and then conditionnel présent. Si je pouvais, je vous aiderais. Si je pouvais, je vous aiderais. So as you can see in that case, first part, si, and then the verb pouvoir in the imparfait form, si je pouvais. Then the second part, je vous, the verb is aider, and it's in the conditionnel présent form. Je vous aiderai. So in that situation, we're talking about something that might be possible. It's always possible. Right now, it doesn't happen, but it could be possible. Si elle venait nous voir, nous préparerions un bon dîner. So same thing here, look, si, and then the verb is venir, third person of the singular, elle venait, and then nous préparerions, so it's the verb préparer, and it's in the conditionnel présent form, nous préparerions. So si, imparfait, and then conditionnel présent. Same thing, in that case, it would be possible. Everything is possible in that situation. So, si elle venait nous voir, nous préparerions un bon dîner. Si je gagnais au loto, j'arrêterais de travailler. Si je gagnais au loto, j'arrêterais de travailler. So the same situation in that case. Si, imparfait, this is the verb gagner, first person of the singular. In the imparfait, je gagnais. And then here the verb is arrêter, first person, j'arrêterais, conditionnel présent. Same thing here, it's possible. Right now it didn't happen, but then it is possible. Si j'avais plus de temps, je lirais plus de livres. Well, the verb is avoir here. It's the imparfait. It's the first person, and it's j'avais. So you combine si and then the imparfait. Si j'avais. And then here, the verb is lire, conditionnel présent, first person, je lirais. Si j'avais plus de temps, je lirais plus de livres. So now, let's see the other structure. Si, plus que parfait, conditionnel passé. And now you will see the difference between the two. Si elle me l'avait dit plus tôt, j'aurais pu l'aider. Si elle me l'avait dit plus tôt, j'aurais pu l'aider. So as you can see, pu should be in black because it's this form and it's pouvoir. So, si with plus que parfait. Here the verb is dire in the plus que parfait form, avait dit. Third person of the singular, elle. Elle avait dit. And then, second part here, it should be, as I said, in black here, aurait pu. It's the verb pouvoir in the conditionnel passé. So now, when you use that structure, it's too late. It's too late. It's not possible to change it. It's in the past, and well, could be in the regret category, but still it is something that is not possible to change anymore. It's in the past. Si elle me l'avait dit plus tôt, j'aurais pu l'aider. So that's the difference between the previous structure that we have, whether it's, it is still possible, but now it's not possible anymore. It's in the past and you can only cry about it or regret or just witness the fact that it's behind you. Si vous étiez arrivé plus tôt, nous aurions eu le temps de jouer ensemble. Si vous étiez arrivé plus tôt, nous aurions eu le temps de jouer ensemble. Same thing here, look, the verb is arrivé, it's in the plus que parfait form, vous étiez arrivé, and then here it's the verb avoir, conditionnel passé, nous aurions eu le temps de jouer ensemble. Si tu avais voulu, nous aurions pu le faire. Si tu avais voulu, nous aurions pu le faire. So here it's the verb vouloir, second person of the singular. Tu avais voulu, plus que parfait. Nous aurions pu, it's the verb pouvoir, conditionnel passé. First person of the plural, nous aurions pu. Si tu avais voulu, nous aurions pu le faire. But once again, it's in the past and we cannot change anything about it. Si ton frère ne m'avait pas aidé, je n'aurais pas pu monter ce meuble tout seul. Si ton frère ne m'avait pas aidé, je n'aurais pas pu monter ce meuble tout seul. Situation here is the verb. The verb is aider, aider, plus que parfait, avait aidé, third person of the singular. Then here, the verb is pouvoir, and then it's conditionnel, passé, first person of the singular, aurait pu. I was lost in my thoughts. Si ton frère ne m'avait pas aidé, je n'aurais pas pu monter ce meuble tout seul.